What's the meaning of BPI? BPI. BPI.
BPI. BPI. BPI has multiple meanings depending on the context, making it difficult to provide a single definition. In the financial world, BPI stands for Bank of the Philippine Islands, a major bank in the Philippines. In the technology industry, BPI can refer to business process improvement, which involves analyzing and improving business processes to increase efficiency and productivity. In addition, BPI may also refer to beats per inch, a measurement used in music production. The meaning of BPI depends on the context in which it is used, and it can have different implications depending on the industry or field in which it is applied.